How to build React hook in 2 minutes. My name is Kasper and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's initialize React project by the npx create React app in the terminal and start coding. Why to create hooks? To simplify your code and make it readable. Our app is a coffee coder. As coffee is the fuel of every giga chat of coding, we will make a hook to refill our energy. Let's start with a cleaning process. So we will go directly to the CSS code, we will delete it. It's not necessary. Delete logo, header, images from the app.js, and in the index.css we will only left some margin. Our app will be super simple, so after deleting everything what is unnecessary, we can start coding. After going to the source directory, we can create useCaffeineLevel.js file, which will store the hook. Every hook is a React function. In our implementation, we use useStateHook to manage the state of value caffeine milliliters and add useEffect hook for managing the state. Our hook will return caffeine level and drink coffee function, which increases caffeine level. Moreover, after defined time interval, caffeine level is decreased. Decreasing is executed in the useEffect hook. Now we will call our hook in the app.js file by destructurizing returned values from the hook. We will add also the button to drink coffee function and some header and paragraph. Let's start our application. So we run the server and wait for the result. Our super ugly website is showing the coder's caffeine level, the milliliters which are left in the system, and the drink coffee button. So we will style it a little with CSS, starting with a style of app container. So we add the width, height, and maybe beautify some button. Okay, it looks nice. And we will decrease the time interval for decreasing caffeine level and have caffeine crash quicker. After these adjustments, we can start testing the app. So level of caffeine is decreasing, and after clicking we increase it to the enormous level. And please remember, don't overdose the caffeine.